Umshi bentaban penpaw ya kajing penrem ya uba Lakman Rembui uba de menteri bapet ya katenat puli kajela nakalyang kinong hikai SSA Association hapo kajing ya lam jeng uba Aristotle kila penrem ya uba Rembui uba laja nakajing ya lang hakas ni khadu jeng yeng dor bar senrai kabala dep long hakakat nyau terik unai lur ar hajar ar pwe kani kaseng kinong hikai kala penrem jur ya kajing ja jeng u da kabaong bakani kajing le jeng u kapan isyai ba dan kajing kit kli ya kinong hikai.
From Meghalaya SSA School Association, we are here to express our concern of what had happened in the last day of the autumn session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, that is on 17 September 2021. We, the SSA teachers, are surprised and shocked to see that the Honorable Minister in charge education, Sir Lakman Rembui, is absent from the August House at the time when the Honorable MLA of Mawsynram constituency, Sir Himalaya Muktang Changpiliang, raised and aired the grievances of SSA teachers, which include creation and merging of all the 12,541 SSA teachers from the State Implementation Society to State Education Department on regular basis as per provision of RT Act 2009, and for release the pending salary for 3 months to the 12,541 SSA teachers for the month of June, July and August 2021 for discussion and to draw the attention of the state government and also to know the stand of the state government on the issue which relates to the welfare of the SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya. We, the SSA teachers, are expecting to see a positive response from the Honorable Education Minister, but very unfortunate to see that the Minister himself is absent from the August House during the discussion, which we feel to strongly condemn this act of the Education Minister for not present in the August House during the discussion for the reason which is well known to him. Nevertheless, it reflects his irresponsible and incompetent as a minister. Added to this, as decided on 14 September 2021 during the peaceful protest sit-in demonstration at Malki Playground Shillong, we strongly demands from the state government to fulfill our 3 demands, which include creation and merging of the 12,541 SSA teachers from State Implementation Society to State Education Department on regular basis as per provision of RT Act 2009, number 1. Number 2, implementation of pay structure and to enhance the salary of 12,541 SSA teachers working under Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. And number 3, to release the pending salary for 3 months to the 12,541 SSA teachers for the month of June, July and August 2021 on or before 30th September 2021, failing which the 12,541 SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya will go for a 2 days mass casual leave, that is on 11 and 12 October 2021.